Why is he like that? What is happening inside his brain? Why is his brain seeing danger somewhere? Why is his body reacting so strongly? How do we calm this response?
Okay, let's start with the brain's alarm center. The amygdala helps detect danger quickly. Now think about this, the amygdala works very fast. It reacts before the thinking brain fully checks the situation. Here's the interesting part, anxiety can begin with a false signal. The brain may mistake uncertainty for danger. When the alarm turns on, stress chemicals rise. These chemicals prepare the body to respond. Adrenaline makes the heart beat faster. It sends more blood to muscles. Breathing may become faster and shallow. The body is preparing for quick action. Muscles may tighten during anxiety. This happens because the body expects danger. Sweating can happen even without exercise. It is part of the body's stress response. The stomach may feel upset or tight. Stress can slow digestion during alarm mode. The prefrontal cortex is the thinking part. It helps check whether danger is real. In anxiety, the alarm can overpower clear thinking. The brain keeps checking for possible danger. The brain tries to predict what might happen next. Sometimes it predicts danger even without proof. Past scary experiences can shape future reactions. The brain remembers patterns that felt unsafe before. Uncertainty can feel threatening to the brain. That is why unknown situations may trigger anxiety. Body symptoms can make anxiety feel stronger. The person may become scared of the sensations themselves. Avoiding scary situations may feel helpful briefly, but it can teach the brain that the situation was dangerous. Gentle practice helps the brain relearn safety. Small brave steps can reduce the alarm over time. Slow breathing tells the body it is safer. It helps calm the nervous system. Helpful thoughts can guide the brain back to facts. This supports the thinking brain during anxiety. Safety signals teach the alarm system to settle. The brain learns that discomfort is not always danger. Regulation means calming the body and brain together. It takes repetition and support. With practice, the alarm becomes less sensitive. The person can feel safer and more in control. A racing heart is a common anxiety symptom. It shows the stress system has switched on. Symptoms often appear during worry or uncertainty. This pattern helps identify anxiety. Clinicians ask what happened before symptoms began. Triggers help explain the body's reaction. Doctors still consider other medical causes. Chest pain, fainting, or severe symptoms need evaluation. Clinicians check how anxiety affects daily life. School, sleep, friendships, and activities all matter. Coping skills help calm the body's alarm. Breathing, grounding, and support can reduce symptoms. Therapy teaches the brain to test fear safely. CBT can help change anxious patterns. Support from trusted adults improves recovery. The patient should not face anxiety alone. Remember, anxiety is like an overactive alarm. The brain reacts before danger is confirmed. The amygdala detects possible threats quickly. Sometimes it sounds the alarm too soon. Adrenaline causes fast heartbeats and body tension. It prepares the body for action. The thinking brain checks the facts. It helps decide whether danger is real. Body sensations can feel scary during anxiety, but scary feelings do not always mean danger. Grounding brings attention back to the present. It helps the body feel safer. The brain can learn calmer responses. Practice helps reduce false alarms.
At first, the patient thought something terrible was happening. The racing heart made the fear feel even stronger. Then the pattern showed it was a false alarm. With support and practice, the body started settling.
Alright, let's test your brain. Think carefully before you answer. Which brain part detects danger quickly? Amygdala, stomach, kidney, bone. What chemical helps prepare the body for action? Adrenaline, insulin, melanin, bile. What can anxiety feel like? False alarm, broken bone, low sugar, skin rash. What skill helps calm the body? Grounding, running away, ignoring everything, holding breath. What helps the brain reduce false alarms? Practice, avoidance forever, guessing, panic. Did you get them right? The answers are waiting in your worksheet download. Download your free worksheet and test your brain. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.